Hello AP Biology students, we're going to go over the fourth page of my statistics assignment. And on this page, we're going to continue our work on standard error of the mean. As a quick recap, let's go over error bars. These are called error bars, and they show us how much variation there is within a certain data set. You can see this green bar represents the data here in green, and this blue bar represents the data here in blue. As you can see in the data, there is more variation in the blue data set than there is in the green data set. This is because there is more variation in blue's data compared with green's data. And correspondingly, the error bars for the green data set is smaller than the blue data set. Typically, when there is more variation in a data set, the larger the error bars are going to be. And reversely, when there is less variation, typically we see smaller error bars. In the next problems, you're going to be analyzing each graph and determining whether or not there is significance between the two data or two variables. All you have to do is signify whether each of the bars on the bar graph are significant or not significant from each other. So let's take a look at this first one. Is there significance between these two data sets? This one's easy. Since there is overlap between these two error bars, it is not significant. All right, let's move on to question 13. Is there significance between these two data sets? Again, it shows it on here. There's no overlap, so that means these data are significant. Question 14. Do these error bars overlap? Is the data significant? Nope, since they overlap, it is not significant between the two data sets. Question 15. Is it significant or not significant between these two data sets? Since the error bars don't overlap, they are significant. Question 16. Is there significance between these two data sets? Nope, they overlap right here, so that means it's not significant. Let's take a look at question 17. Is there significance between VR and control? Yep, there is significance because these error bars do not overlap. Question 18. Is there significance between these two error bars? Nope, they overlap right here, so it's not significant. Question 19. Is there significance between apples and plums? Yep, there is no overlap between these two error bars, which means they are significant from each other. Question 20. Between these two groups, is it significant or not significant? Nope, there's a lot of overlap, not significant. Significant or not significant? Nope, there's overlap. 22 is easy. There's overlap, which means it's not significant. And 23 last, there's no overlap, which means they are significant from each other.